Artificial intelligence and machine learning are key enablers to help companies face constant changes. Be more resilient and agile. Mitigate risks and develop new business models. Trouble is, the businesses that need AI the most aren't technology companies. They're manufacturers, retailers, the finance sector. Companies that got into business to do business, not to be data science experts. And for those businesses, there's Oracle. We've spent the last 20 years building the field of AI from the ground up, helping democratize access to AI and machine learning. So today, AI is embedded in everything we do, which means when you work with us, it's in everything you do. Companies prefer pre-built AI apps 2-to-1 over developing their own solutions. Our pre-built cloud-based tools let you unlock the power of AI easily and immediately, delivering financial insights, supercharging your supply chain, personalizing your customer experience, and giving your HR department the 21st century tools it needs to face the next challenges. Unlock the value of AI today. It's time to soar.